Wait, what the f?
It's not. It's 5 p.m.
A lot of old people.
Oh, we in the motherland, baby.
That's what I was gonna ask. I was like,
Where do we go now, Chief? We just spent like 30 minutes in customs because apparently no one has
They
like.
gotta stamp the passport 3 times and then check that they stamped it.
Julio's a criminal.
Yeah, no one apparently.
There's a dang anonymous tip out that I'm wanted over here.
We made it.
And now we're gonna go get pupusas nearby and then come back to the airport to then be on our way to Costa Rica.
I think.
So we got a Uber front to this pupusa place, and they're making the pupusas from scratch. And then James, let me see the prices. Yeah, look at the prices of these like. Yeah, like these prices are like insane for pupusas, so it's gotta be so dang.
10 pupusas each.
Bro, yeah. Bro, I'll give him 2.
Oh, obviously you're getting 2.
Yeah, no, I'm gonna get him 2.
Oh.
Maybe 3.
Get him 3. We're like,
Yeah.
Roll splurge.
take us back there.
Dude, yeah. So we got an Uber, and when he came, I told him I'd pay for his pupusa if he wanted one. So I'm gonna buy him like 3 so that he can take us back to the airport. I think he'll be really happy.
Yeah.
We got an Uber and it only seats 4, and then
It's way smaller than the last one. I feel way smaller.
yeah. So now I'm laying down in Didi's lap like a little baby. Still good? Gracias. We just ate at this restaurant right here. So good. Holy shit. So good. It was like it's like in a market in nearby where we stayed. And like for 5 people to eat, it was $36. Pretty good. So now we're gonna go to the waterfall, one of the waterfalls. It's like a hour-and-a-half drive. So.
big leaf. What the? Look at it.
Big if true.
So we stopped at like a random just like area on the way to the waterfalls. Pretty neat. It's kind of in the clouds. Somewhere up on this sign, and we were gonna go that way. Very inclined, and we decided to go that way.
Vida.
Not inclined, yeah. Life to the right, death to the left. So we're gonna go with life.
Boom.
We just got here to Blue Falls. We're buying our tickets. They have like a combo. They have like a combo deal where we can do Blue Falls and Caratas del Toro for like $25 US. So we're gonna do that. It's supposed to be really pretty. So stay tuned. Yeah, I know. We're going to Las Gemelas, which is down that way, because the guide said that the one on the right, since it's gonna rain, it's a little dangerous to cross. Oh, there's a waterfall up there too. That's sick. But yeah, there's people swimming down there. It's pretty cool. And so we're gonna make our way down there, I think. Yeah, this is so sick. Look how blue this water is. It's insane. Dude, this is so cool. I've said this like 15 times, but look, like, this is all just one river, like, going to both the waterfalls, Las Gemelas. It's so cool, man. Well worth the $25 already, even though we haven't even, like, scratched the surface of what we're gonna see. It's insane. It's crazy. Did they send me daughters when I asked for sons? You're the saddest bunch I ever met, and you can bet before we're through, make a man out of you. On the way down to La Celestial Waterfall. Don't really know what it entails, but here we go. There it is. We are now done with Bajos del Toro, or yeah, the Blue Falls, and we're gonna make our way to the car to then go to Caratas del Toro, which you can't swim in, but should be still pretty neat. We came to eat at Alma Libre in Bajos del Toro. Got a picture with the bull and the sign. Really good food here. And we're gonna make our way to Liberia now. It's like 4 hours, so great. Ate at this restaurant right here, Soda Esperanza. Fucking gasoline, so good.
I love eating.
What? You keep your eyes open?
No, but there's still salt water in them.
Nah, dude. Gotta close them harder. Didi found a
violently cracking a coconut.
Didi found a coconut.
Right?
Yeah.
Yeah, just stand under the tree and I'll shake it.
See? You can crack coconuts on a rock.
Well,
Soggy coconuts.
yeah. Got breakfast at this spot right here. Pretty good. $6 per person. We made it to Baldi Hot Springs. We were here last time, but Didi wanted to check out the water slides because we talked so much about it. So now we're gonna buy our tickets, and then we're gonna repark our car and then head in. Did you drop your glasses? Yes. Julio, his glasses fell when he was going down, so he's going to go look for them. Oh, I'm putting these hoes away. He found his glasses.
Let's go!